Well, my swimming pool conversion to a koi pond is coming right along. As you can see, I got the waterfall working. Water's coming around the pool in that 2-inch PVC hose, flex hose, all the way around over here to the skimmer box, which I was able to mount against the side of the pool using the swimming pool ladder as a support. Right here I have an aerator that I bought from Aqua, and that is right over here on the deck. Anyway, it's doing a good job of aerating, but the interesting part here is the skimmer box, which supported by some angle irons that I anchored into the concrete back here by the end of the ladder, and they extend out and they form a support box for the skimmer box, and they support it. The straps are holding the box both up and down by tying it off to these angle iron structures. The box is submerged 2/3 of the way or so into the pool. You can see the water coming into it, hopefully. I used some treated wood back here at the back to make a spacer to hold it snug, so one set of straps is holding it, pulling it back towards this ladder, keeping it pulled against the wall of the pond, and the other straps are holding it up and down. So it seems to be working real well. You can see where the pump is inside this near end of the filter box, submerged pump, and of course pumping the water through this hose, which is running around the pond and over to the waterfall. So I have a lot of landscaping to do, but so far I think it's looking pretty good. The waterfall is a Koi Tech fluidized filter fall. So inside that center container is a bunch of BioBall filter media, and I put in some beneficial bacteria to get it jump started. But so far it's working pretty good. I just have it tied off to this heavy ceramic piece from China that we happen to have. So that's holding it in place, but I do intend to landscape around it, put some rock around it and some plants to try and camouflage it. But right now it's working pretty good, as you can see. I've also, I think you can see, on the last video I said I put a layer of river rock gravel in the bottom of the pool. And I think maybe you can see some of that here. I've also planted some, I put in some floating duckweed or salvinia, which you can see there, and then I have some submerged hornwort that'll start growing in the gravel and on the bottom of the pond, so that should work pretty good. But like I said, I have a lot of landscaping to do and to create a natural looking pond, but so far so good. I haven't ordered the fish yet, so I'm going to put koi in it. I'll probably do that here in the next day or two. But I think they'll be happy. I think it's going to work out just fine. And the best part of this whole, you can see some of the other plants that I've planted on the ledges, some canna. I do intend to put a lot more plants in and all over the edge. So. But the best part is the whole swimming pool is still intact. All I did was shut down the pool equipment, turned it off. So if anyone ever wants to turn it back into a swimming pool, after we're finished with it, all they would have to do would be drain the water, take out all the plants, and take out the gravel off the bottom and power wash it and refill it, and turn the pool equipment back on, and it's good to go. So the one thing we did, I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, is I there's a bottom drain in the pond, in the swimming pool, and I used a car floor mat, rubber floor mat to cover that up and put a flat stone on it. It's down in the bottom here, so that keeps the bottom drain from the pool from sucking up any debris or waste material or whatever, so that pipe should remain nice and clean for future use. So anyway, there you have it. I think it's looking good. I'll probably do another video in a couple of weeks or so after I get the fish in, see if how they acclimate. But so far I'm pretty happy with it. I'm pleased with the way everything came together. Talk to you again soon. Bye.